The quiet anchor. The roadside tree offers a cool, leafy grace, yet shadows are shallow, a mere hiding place. We chase after silver, we hoard every grain, then wonder why peach won't descend like the rain. The mind is a market, both frantic and loud, lost in the friction of a self-driven crowd. For how can the water reflect the bright sun when we stir up the silt until the day is done? Stillness is found when the grasping shelches in the space left behind by a gentle release. True shelter isn't built out of timber or stone, but in quieted hearts where the spirit's known.